want to present the text you add on your snaps bigger, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. Once you open it, you should be on your camera page. So I'm just going to take a random snap so that we can add a text on our snap as an example. So I'm just going to take it by clicking on the shutter button right here. Like that, you should be able to see the T icon at the top right part of your snap, and that you can click on that to add text. So let's just click on that, and I'm just going to type in snap. Now the style that you choose can also either give you the ability to change the font size or not. So this first style right here, if you choose this, you can't actually change the font size, but you can choose another font style or text style from here. Example like that, or this one. You can just simply hold the text that you added and pinch the screen. So you can just pinch out to make it bigger, and you can also pinch in to make the font size smaller. So you can just like pinch it to like zoom in or zoom out a certain text, and you can just type in another text again and choose another text style like that. Just click on our screen, and you can just change the font size by pinching in or out while holding the text that you just added. So that is how you can basically change font size on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.